Ka Jingïakren Pynbeit Put Hakawat ka Baar Hapdeng Kecela Meghalaya Batka Assam Yakin Riuteli Kijaka Badangsa Kibaya Kajia Kat Haduk Mentah Kadangsa Akut Padhalor kan nena kaliang Menteri Ketenat Ki Kampo Ying Uba Preston Tensong Walaong ba ka Jingbym ya Lait Port Hapdeng Ki Regional Committee Jongboro Atli Kecela Kalong ka Jingeh Panstang Peteng Biang ya ka Jingeh Pynbeit Put Lait Hu Batang Hapo Ki Regional Committee Jong ka Assam Kelatung Haduk Laingut Ki Chairman Ki Bapit Yala ka Jong ka Benta Neka kam kadba ka Meghalaya Pat ka Don Tang Uwe Chairman Regional Committee Pat kumta lada ka Wei ka Committee ka Lait ki Wei Pat Kim Lait kumju lada ka Regional Committee jong ka Assam ka Lait Por na ka Liang jong ka Meghalaya Pat kam Lait kumta ka ne ka Wanra ya ka Jingïakren Pynbeit Put Henry ula Pat pakan sadon ka Jingkrmen ba ka Jingïakren kan sapteng biang shen.
No doubt again, see, sometimes when we this side are free, unfortunately from that side are not free. And not only that, see, the point here is, see, like in Ribhoi district, the government of Assam, they kept 3 chairmen. One chairman is with Atul Bora, the other chairman is with Mr. I forgot his name, Mr. Patwari, and the other one is the previous one where we were together in this first phase, Mr. I forgot his name, the other one there, the previous one there, Mr. So they have 3 chairmen, different chairmen, whereas from our side we have only 1. Then the same members, but that side they have 3 different chairmen and then 3 different members also in this regional committee. So when one committee is free, the other one is not free because different chairmen again, as I said to you. So we have little problem on this. But however, I think we'll be able to resolve this issue and we can again resume our sitting very soon.
So you mean to say that the delay is from the Assam side?
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying, but because sometimes when we are free, they are not free. When they are free again, we are not free. That is the only point.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center